Holy, did you see that?
I don't even have to call down on that one.
That's a win there.
That's a win. Nice job, Nola.
I gotta call Varni out.
Yeah.
Dude, what is wrong with this car, dude?
We lost. The car spun and it moved to the right. I went into Jerry's lane. Same problem I've been having the whole time I got here. I thought we had it going straight, so I jumped in the left lane. I'm having problems. I gotta figure out what it is. I don't know what's going on. Thought we had it figured out. We went and tested it. It went straight, so I don't know.
Calling you out, brother.
Damn, you're a savage.
Got to, man.
We lined up. When he gets on his two-step, though, it's like their heat from their exhaust sprays in my window and it fogs up my window. So I can't see, so I'm just letting the button go. I don't even see the light. And as soon as I take off, the window clears up. He had trouble. He's been struggling. We was able to get the win. It wasn't pretty, but a win's a win.
You crossed, you lost.
I was about to say, Rick.
You thought about it, didn't you?
I did.
Good luck to you. I'll see you up there in a minute.